Auditing plays a critical role in ensuring organizations maintain quality, efficiency, and regulatory compliance. But not all audits are the same. In this lesson, we'll take a detailed look at the four primary types of audits: internal audits, external audits, supplier audits, compliance audits. Each type serves a unique purpose and follows specific processes depending on the industry and regulations. Let's break them down one by one. Internal audits, the self-check mechanism. Internal audits are conducted within an organization by its own employees or an assigned internal audit team. The goal is to evaluate the effectiveness of internal processes, identify weaknesses, and improve overall performance. Key characteristics of internal audits. Conducted by the organization's own auditors. Focus on process improvements, risk management, and compliance. Not legally required, but highly recommended for quality management. Results are used internally for corrective actions. Why are internal audits important? Identify risks before they become major issues. Improve efficiency and operational performance. Ensure the organization is prepared for external audits. Strengthen continuous improvement initiatives. Common internal audit standards. ISO 9001. Internal audits ensure compliance with the quality management system. ISO 19011 provides guidelines for conducting internal audits. COSO framework focuses on internal controls and risk management. Example: a manufacturing company conducts an internal audit to review safety procedures and ensure employees follow proper quality control measures. External audits, independent verification. Unlike internal audits, external audits are conducted by third-party auditors who have no affiliation with the organization being audited. These audits provide an unbiased, objective assessment of compliance with regulations, industry standards, or contractual obligations. Key characteristics of external audits. Conducted by certified third-party auditors. Required for certifications, legal compliance, and customer contracts. Ensure the organization meets regulatory or industry-specific requirements. Results are official and documented, sometimes leading to certification. Why are external audits important? Provide independent validation of an organization's compliance, essential for gaining or maintaining industry certifications. Can impact business reputation, customer trust, and regulatory approvals. Help organizations identify gaps that internal audits may overlook. Common external audit types. Certification audits required to obtain ISO, IATF, or AS9100 certifications. Regulatory audits, conducted by government agencies like the FDA or OSHA. Financial audits, performed by external accountants to verify financial statements. Example: a pharmaceutical company undergoes an FDA audit to confirm compliance with Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP) before launching a new drug. Supplier audits, evaluating vendor performance. A supplier audit is an external audit conducted to assess a supplier's compliance with quality standards, safety regulations, and contractual agreements. Companies audit their suppliers to ensure they receive high-quality products and services that meet their requirements. Key characteristics of supplier audits. Conducted by organizations purchasing goods or services. Focus on supplier capabilities, risk management, and quality assurance. Can be announced or unannounced. Ensure suppliers meet contractual and industry standards. Why are supplier audits important? Prevents poor quality materials from entering the supply chain. Reduces risks related to non-compliant vendors. Helps businesses select reliable long-term suppliers. Ensures consistency in product quality, delivery times, and cost control. Common supplier audit standards. IATF 16949, automotive industry suppliers must follow strict quality guidelines. ISO 13485, medical device manufacturers must comply with this standard. ISO 14001, suppliers must meet environmental compliance standards. Example: an aerospace company audits its component supplier to ensure they adhere to AS9100 quality standards before approving a contract. Compliance audits, ensuring legal and regulatory adherence. Compliance audits are conducted to verify that an organization follows legal, regulatory, and ethical requirements. These audits are often mandated by government agencies or industry regulatory bodies. Key characteristics of compliance audits: conducted by regulatory agencies, independent auditors, or internal teams. Required by law or industry regulations. Ensures adherence to environmental, health, safety, financial, and ethical standards. Results may lead to fines, penalties, or required corrective actions. Why are compliance audits important? Protect organizations from legal consequences and financial penalties. Ensure safety standards are met, preventing accidents and workplace hazards. Build customer trust and brand reputation. Help organizations stay up to date with changing regulations. Common compliance audit areas. OSHA audits. Ensure workplace safety compliance. HIPAA audits. Verify healthcare organizations protect patient information. SOX audits. Ensure financial reporting integrity under the Sarbanes-Oxley Act. Example: a hospital undergoes a HIPAA compliance audit to ensure patient medical records are properly protected and secured. Key takeaways: internal audits performed by the organization to improve processes and reduce risks. External audits conducted by third-party auditors to verify compliance with industry standards. Supplier audits evaluate vendor capabilities and ensure they meet contractual obligations. Compliance audits ensure organizations follow legal and regulatory requirements. Each audit type plays a vital role in maintaining quality, efficiency, and compliance in businesses across all industries. Now that we understand these different types of audits, let's move on to our next lesson: how to plan and prepare for an effective audit.